Hey, it's Ben here. I just wanted to make a short little video just describing how I take Multigp courses and convert them into GPS coordinates that I can use with a RTK GPS system to plot courses at our local field. So the first thing what I do is when we get a new course for Multigp is to go and plot each of our flags and gates and whatever else they dream up of with coordinates, like Cartesian coordinates. Think of grade school kind of stuff. So what I first do is set a 0, 0 point on the map, and then every point gets a position. So this is X is 0 and 30 in the Y-axis, and I go and do everything. And then once that's done, what I do is open up Excel and create a sheet with the X coordinate, the Y coordinate, and a description. So this is in meters. So this first drawing was in feet, and what I did was converted feet into meters, and that's why it's a little different. But once that's done, what you'll do is save it as a CSV file. So you don't want an Excel file, you want a CSV file. So we'll just go ahead and overwrite that file. And yes, you're going to lose some features, that's fine. And then once that's done, I'm going to open the software, little piece of software that I wrote. What it'll do is it'll take your lat and your long and a heading, and then import that CSV file, and then generate GPS position points for every flag and gate and whatever item that's on the course. So to get this information, I use this software alongside Google Earth. So let me go ahead and delete this old work. So first thing what I'll do is I'll drop a new place mark. So what I'll do is drop a place mark where the 0, 0 position is going to be on the map. So this thumbtack is going to correlate exactly to this position right here on the map. So the 0, 0 point is going to be at this lat and this long. And this needs to be in decimal format. It doesn't need to be in minutes and seconds. I can't remember if Google Earth defaults to decimal or minute and seconds, but it's a setting inside of it if you're not getting decimal. So I'll copy those over. Alright, so next what we need is the heading for the Y-axis. And this is what's going to actually rotate the map in a circle. So the easiest way I found out is just grab a ruler and make sure mouse navigation's off. And what I'll do is just snap a line for the Y-axis. So that gets our heading at about 111 degrees. So I'll enter that in. And basically that line is this axis. I don't know if you could shows up in the video, but it's where this F15 flag is, and the 0 basically is going to correlate exactly to this yellow line right here. I can just go ahead and clear that. We don't need that anymore. And then what next we need is the CSV file that we just generated from Excel. And there's the CSV file. And then next we need the output file specified, and this is the GPX file. So this is GPX files play very nicely with Google Earth, and they also play very nicely with the software that I use for RTK GPS, which is RTKLIB. And if there's any interest, I might actually do a video about how I use RTKLIB and some really low-cost GPS modules to do all the plotting. And the solution's like, it's not the cheapest, but it's around $250, and it works really good for us. So specify the GPX file. Yep, go ahead and replace it, and then click the go button, and that went and generated GPS positions for every gate and flag for this course. Okay, and then next I'll do is import, and there's our GPX file here, and there's our course at our field here in Millington, Tennessee, home of the White Goats. So I might play with this a little bit more because this is kind of a watered hazard / mud pit, so we might move that over, or maybe this course might be small enough where we can rotate this 90 degrees and fly it horizontally, because we usually set up over here in the pits. But yeah, that's just a quick overview of this Cartesian to GPS software that I use, and how I take Multigp courses and convert them into GPS coordinates. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer anything. I'll talk to you guys later.